A check valve is a fluid control device which prevents backflow in a system. There are many styles of check valves, but their function remains the same. Flow is allowed in one direction and blocked in the reverse direction. The primary working components include the body, the spring, and the poppet. This check valve has a hard seat since the metal poppet rests against the metal seat of the body. A check valve begins with the spring holding the poppet in a closed position. When fluid is moving through the check valve, pressure increases until it reaches a specific pressure known as cracking pressure. When this pressure is reached, the poppet will compress the spring and slide open, allowing the fluid to flow. As the pressure decreases, the spring will drive the poppet closed. Once the poppet is fully closed against the seat, this is known as reseat pressure. Typically, reseat pressure is about 20% lower than the cracking pressure. Alternatively, built-up pressure in the reverse direction works with the spring to close the poppet. It is important to understand your system's fluid control needs when picking a check valve. A hard seat check valve is common for high pressure systems, corrosive fluids, and an acceptable amount of leakage. A soft seat check valve is common for lower pressure systems, non-corrosive fluids, and zero to little acceptable leakage. Other important factors to consider: required fluid flow, which helps determine valve and equivalent orifice size. Required cracking pressure, which helps determine the spring force needed, and the overall operating pressure, which helps determine the material needed. Stainless steel for high pressure systems and improved durability, aluminum for low pressure systems with low weight requirements, or sometimes titanium for high pressure systems with low weight requirements. The check valve displayed in this video is just one of many styles possible for fluid control solutions. The complexity and design of check valves varies greatly depending on the system requirements. Please visit Crissair.com for more information and a product catalog covering all of the high-quality aerospace and defense, space, and industrial products we offer.